underneath the rows of trees. I will see you where the ocean meets the sky. Under your toes, the fire grows. You are ready for a different kind of life. You're shining bold, the wind is cold. You must return to the wild.
So, second flight of the drone didn't go well. So it was set on follow me, and I'll show you the footage. It was following the van, great footage. All of a sudden the battery started to say it was starting to run out, about 25%. It puts a warning up. What I didn't realise, it goes return to home automatic. What I thought was I was the home, but it wasn't. It was the last time we parked up about a mile back. So unbeknown to me, the drone flew off back home, and we thought we'd lost it, so we're running around the heatherland trying to find a red drone. I eventually walked back to the car park, and there it was, all parked up, doing what it probably should be doing. So lesson: understand where your home is before you actually fly a drone. I need to go back to drone school. Silent board, the wind is cold. You must return to the wild, wild.